Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a SQL developer or database admin, you have likely come across the need to store intermediate data temporarily in your database. So to do this, you have two options in SQL Server. One is temporary table and another one is table variables. So in this video, we will be taking a closer look at the differences between these two temporary data storage solutions. We will cover the scope, durability, performance, and transactional capability of both temporary tables and table variables. So by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of when to use each solution in your SQL Server projects. So whether you are a SQL professional or just starting out, stay tuned as we explore the world of temporary tables and table variables in SQL Server. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out on my videos. So in a SQL Server, both temporary tables and table variables are used to store data temporarily. However, there are some differences between them. So first we will see about scope. So the temporary tables are created in TempDB database and it is accessible to the same session. This means that it can be used in any batch, store procedure or function in the same session. And table variables are accessible within the batch, store procedure or function in which they are declared. So when the batch, store procedure or function ends, the table variable is automatically destroyed and its data is lost. Next we will see durability. So the temporary tables are created on disk and persist until the session ends or until they are explicitly dropped. This means that the data in temporary table will be available even if the connection to the database is lost or if an error occurs. And table variables are stored in memory and are not persisted to the disk. This means that if the connection to the database is lost or if an error occurs, the data in temp variable will be lost. Next we will see about the performance. So the table variables have less overhead than temporary tables because they are stored in memory, which allows for faster access to the data. And temporary tables have more overhead because they are created on disk, but they can perform better in large datasets because they can take advantage of the query optimizer's ability to create indexes and to perform other performance enhancing operations. Next we will see about the transactions. So the temporary tables can be used in transactions, which means that the data in temporary table can be rolled back if an error occurs or if the transaction is rolled back. And table variables, on the other hand, they cannot be used in transactions. Next we will see about the syntax. So the temporary table creation syntax is same as normal table creation with the hash prefix in table name. And we can create temp table using select into command. When we create a temp table using select into command, then temp table will be created with whatever columns are used in select query. Whereas table variable creation syntax is same as parameter declaration with the table data type. Next we will see about the indexes. So the temp table can do all DDL operations. It allows create, drop, alter the indexes. Whereas table variable won't allow doing the DDL operation, but the table variable allows us to create clustered index only. So in conclusion, we can say that choice between using a temporary table or a table variable will be depend on specific requirement of your application. If you need a temporary storage solution that has longer lifespan and can be used in transactions, then a temporary table may be the best choice. If you need a temporary storage solution that is faster and has a shorter lifespan, then a table variable may be better choice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share it with your friends and subscribe the channel to watch similar kind of videos.